Hi, I'm Donna McKenzie, and I'm an old nurse, and I'm here today with one of my best buddies, and we worked together for, probably 35 plus years, and her name is?
Luann Serey, and I am retired and worked at Bellefonte Hospital in the foundation.
Funny thing about Luann and I, more than just being friends, as long as we have, is I had a reverse shoulder surgery planned with Dr. Trinidad, and Luann was going to have a total knee, but hers was scheduled different than mine. And both of us were going to King's Daughter, Ohio to have our surgeries done. And Luann called me probably about 4 or 5 days before and said, "You're not even going to believe this." She said, "They changed my surgery date." And I'm like, "Oh my gosh." And they changed it to the same day as my surgery.
So Dr. Trinidad did a total knee on me. I've been going to Dr. Trinidad for 2 years and started getting some injections in my knee and then made the decision to have a total knee replacement. And it turned out to be a great experience. Very organized, it's very easy. Everyone I met was professional. They were courteous, and you just feel like you're at home.
Well, I ended up with Dr. Trinidad because I needed my shoulder fixed, and the doctor that I went to before didn't do shoulders, and I'd heard great things about Trinidad. I'm an old orthopedic nurse, so when I saw that they were a Joint Commission accredited orthopedic program, that was like awesome, because I know the trials and tribulations you have to go through just to be able to get that certification. I think what people don't know is it's a very small unit, and that was my biggest surprise. So the nurses on that unit may only have 2 or 3 patients, and that's it. So they're in and out of your room constantly, giving you one-on-one attention. It's just a great place to go. It's really one-on-one care.
I have nothing but good things to say about Trinidad and the hospital. And it's great to have surgery with your best friend. My husband stayed with me overnight, and so he was there to run down and check on Donna. And then Donna needed a couple of things, so Rob ran them down, and then I needed something from Donna, so we kept my husband really busy, and again, the staff was wonderful.
I will say it was a blessing, really, that Luann had her surgery the same day I did. I think that God looked over both of us.
And we did a lot of texting together. Oh, well, my fever's this. What's your fever? But it was a great thing to have a friend that you could text all hours of the night, because we didn't sleep for the first week. So it was, the whole process was wonderful. That was just an added thing that we could do it together.